my YouTube channel, you guys, and if you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be doing a Thanksgiving look. First, I'll be using the colors Tequila Sunrise and Seashell Hunting. This comes from my Tropical palette. I'll be mixing them two colors together. And you want to start it as your transitioning color. Next, I'll be going back to my Tropical palette and I'll be adding the color Sex on the Beach in there. So you just want to mix that in there. Now that is done, I'll be using this orange color from the ZULU palette by JUVIA'S. Yeah, so basically you guys, this orange color is going to be like the upper part of the eyeshadow. So you just want to keep it up. Now I'll be using Ada from my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And you're just going to apply this into your inner crease. And I'll be using my concealer by LA Girl Pro, the color Suede, just to pop out the brown that I'll be applying afterward. I basically found like, I guess we call it a cut crease. Now I'm just using my flat brush to spread the concealer over my eyelid. Okay, so back to the Masquerade palette, I'll be using the color Fulani. First, I'll start off with a light brown, and as you continue to watch the video, you'll see I'll be using a darker brown. Alright, so from my mini Fenty beauty palette, I'll be using the color Affogato. When you apply this color, you just want to bring it up some more, like take it above the crease a bit so everything could blend. Now I'll just be going back in with the color Ada, just so everything can blend together. Now, you guys know I normally don't do this on camera, but I tried my best, and I'm sorry that the palette was in the way. But yeah, I did the eyeliner on camera for once. So I attempted to do the cat eye. If you guys think I did a good job, give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment, an emoji, a thumbs up emoji in the comment section. Okay, so now I'm just using my eyeliner to make my waterline dark. Now that that's done, I just went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now that that's done, I'll be using Pepper Body from my Wahala palette by JUVIA'S Place, just to add a little razzle dazzle in there. By the way, I use like a tiny brush that would allow me to place the glitter easily in the crease. Now for the highlight, I just use Mo Honey by Fenty Beauty. Okay, so now I am just concealing my face. I'm about to start contouring all that stuff. By the way, you guys, I got these eyelashes from GLAMNETIC. I really like it because it's easy to apply. It's basically a magnetic eyelash, and the stick, the eyeliner stick, it has pieces of magnetic in it. So once you just put the lashes onto your eyeline, it will just stick there. No glue and what's not, no mess, none of that. Like, I really like it. Plus, you know, your girl is have a hard time putting on lashes, so it just made the process a bit easier. Anyways, I just wanted to share like this new lip gloss thingy that I did with you guys. So basically, I lined my lips, outlining it with this brown lip liner, and then I'll just be applying some concealer, and then I'm gonna add some shimmer from the Masquerade palette, you know, to give it that little sparkle, that shimmer. Then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna blend it out together, and I'm gonna be applying some champagne lip gloss to the bottom lips, and then after that I'm just gonna add my clear lip gloss, and we're gonna be popping. We're gonna be popping for Thanksgiving, y'all. Finally, I'll be adding my bronzer from MAC underneath my cheekbones, and I'll just be blending it out. Yeah, you guys, my bronzer had a tragic incident, so it fell on the ground and things just got messy. But here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look. Like, it's so ballsy. It's ballsy. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. You know, put thumbs up, hearts if you liked the video. Yeah. Hope you guys have a nice Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out, baby.